Want to keep your Pubg account secure or make it easier to log in? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll guide you through simple steps on how to link your email to your Pubg mobile account. So let's get started. Tap on the arrow icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on the settings button. On the right side of link email, there is link button. Click on it. Type in the email address that you want to link to your Pubg account. Make sure you have the active email that you have access to. Next, create a new password. Again, enter the new password to confirm it. In order to get the verification code, tap on the Obtain button. Pubg will send a verification code to the email address that you have entered. Check your inbox and copy the code. Now tap on the OK button. And that's how you can link email in Pubg. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.